Hi, my name's Amanda, and this is my part five regarding PepsiCo and their strategies. So, we're going to start off with the marketing and distribution strategies. The, the main goal for PepsiCo is that their target market. So, the market for them is basically the whole world due to the vast range of products that they produce and sell. But their main target consumer is anyone from the age ranges from 15 to 45. Due to the higher sugar content in nearly all of their products, including diet soda. Their target demographic is for those that are not healthy conscious as far as their beverages goes that are not Tropicana. That is unless you count Quaker Oats, which is a health conscious product. And including to that, their demographic includes all genders, sexual orientations. They also include bachelors, bachelorettes, young couples, and couples without children, and soon to be empty nesters. So basically, everyone that fits in all demographics. They also are targeting the markets with people with behavior styles such as loyal customers, new customers, as well as easygoing and determining and ambitious attitudes. As well as for the psychographics of this company, they want to reach all social classes, such as the working class, middle class, and the upper class. So the four P's are the price, promotion, and place, and products. As for the product, we're going to start off with that one. PepsiCo produces and sells energy drinks, cereal, soft drinks, which is soda, rice snacks, breakfast bars, snacks like chips from Frito-Lay, and they even produce sport nutrition drinks in addition to water. So as for the price, PepsiCo utilizes two main strategies in the price category, such as the hybrid daily value pricing, which basically means that they deal with the soft drinks that PepsiCo produces, marketing and selling to those consumers around the globe. The idea with using this strategy is to narrow the gap of regular consumer prices and the discounted holiday prices so that they're very similar. That way, consumers can buy year round and encourages more sales year round. In addition to that, they use the market-oriented pricing, which also means that they make sure their products are competitive with similar products from other companies. That way they're similar with their competition, but yet still stay relevant. So the promotion side, PepsiCo uses four promotional aspects to sell their products: public relations to the product, sponsorships, financial assistance, such as sponsoring a baseball team, for example. They also use sales promotion, so sales, discounts, package deals on multiple products for a cheaper price than what you would get for buying that product per one unit. Advertising and marketing. So they use celebrities to endorse their product on social media, television, as well as online and radio. That way, consumers can relate to a relatable face or a voice that they would know and buy their product. So they also use direct marketing, which is promising products to some organizations as a whole or at wholesale prices instead of just the retail price, which is essentially cheaper than the retail price. In addition to that, the place, so PepsiCo utilizes the vast network around the globe that they produce locations in all warehouses over the globe and in most every country. PepsiCo uses retailers such as grocery stores, Walmart, No Frills, the Piggly Wiggly, and then convenience stores and supermarkets. So they want to sell their product to consumers as best as possible so that they have easy accessibility. They also use the online approach with online merchandisers to sell their products as well, such as like clothing, cups, licensed merchandise from the company. So their social presence is kind of neat to analyze through PepsiCo. They do advertising and they target more to a younger consumer group, as I mentioned. They do still hire celebrities or well known people to put a recognizable face and a relatable face to the consumer. Their marketing strategy utilizes the social media outlets to reach out to the customers: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. They also use TV ads online. TV ads and online advertisements, even billboards within towns and cities. PepsiCo also has a sponsor to numerous sports to advertise. So, for example, they'll sponsor an NFL game. That way they can get their brand and their name out there to consumers or remind them that it's a product that they could have. So they also used trending music and artists to put their products out there, either on radio or even on screen. That way they can get more of a recognizable celebrity that the consumer knows to buy the product more often. They also use distribution in their social presence. They have products accessible in multiple nations around the globe. They have retailers, small businesses, general stores, as well as markets that aid in distributing the product to the consumers. They kind of aid as a medium from the warehouse and the company to the consumer. So pricing, PepsiCo prices their products based on their own consumers' demand as well as the competition. So that way they can stay relevant yet still make a profit. They have created multiple various different sizes of a product at different prices to make it more affordable to all consumers of all ranges. In addition to that, for example, Tropicana is often priced higher due to being a health-conscious product. And health-conscious people are more than willing to pay more for a health-conscious product than a product that doesn't fit into their lifestyle. So the product, PepsiCo's main product in demand is the beverages, Tropicana, sports drinks, water, soda. They also have various products such as Quaker along with Frito-Lay. So they have competitive with different markets that they can acquire and go after due to the different products that they produce. Therefore, the target market is different along with the way it's advertised. Thank you for watching my part 5, marketing strategies. And again, my name is Amanda, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you very much.